everybody! I'm here today to show you how to load a dishwasher properly. This will be a full tutorial and a complete lesson on how to load a dishwasher properly so that you can fit more inside of it. If you heard at the beginning, my son absolutely loves when I do my intro, so he was just laughing there at the beginning. So as you can see, we have a dishwasher right here. Very simple. You are usually going to have 2 racks in a dishwasher. Obviously, every dishwasher is going to be different, but I'm just talking about the majority of the dishwashers kind of fit this description. You're going to have 2 racks, and what you want to imagine it as this. If you have a jar and you want to fill that jar to maximum capacity, you're going to start off by putting all of the biggest rocks in there. Then you're going to put all of the tiny pebbles, and then you're going to fill it with sand. And as you get smaller, you're able to fill in those gaps. A dishwasher is actually the same way. It's the same way of thinking. So essentially what you want to do is you want to start off by loading up all of your pots and pans. Anything that's really, really big that you're going to be putting inside of the dishwasher. I'm actually just going to go grab a pot right now to put in the dishwasher. Let's say I was putting this pot in, or one that was even bigger. I would put this in first. You want to put this in first because they're going to take up most of the space. Like even if the pot is smaller than a plate, right? It has this long handle, it's awkwardly shaped, it takes up a lot of space. So get those pots and pans in there first. Then you want to move on to your bigger dishes, and those are going to fill up your lower rack. So in most cases, your big dishes, your big plates like these, are going to fill up your lower rack. Be mindful of which way you're putting them in. If I put my dishes in this way, so I'm just actually going to take a few of them out right now. Sorry, I should have done this prior to starting, but what can you do? If I actually take my dishes and I put them in the wrong way, they're going to lean, which causes me to fit less inside of that. So make sure you're mindful of which way to put them in. You can see they're nice and straight like that. You put the dishes in like that, it allows you to fit more dishes. In most dishwashers, you're going to have straight slots. So those are going to be for your dishes. You alright? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Just making you guys, anyone that's a parent knows that parenting comes before anything else, obviously. So make sure they're nice and straight in those straight slots. Then you're going to want to move on to your bowls, because generally bowls are larger than glasses. Now bowls will usually go in your top rack. Once again, be mindful of which way you're putting them in. You know what? I'm going to go grab a bowl right now. Like I said, I wasn't planning on doing a full demonstration, but you know, this video wouldn't be complete if I was just explaining it. Your bowls are going to be the same type of thing, right? Sorry, my head is kind of off the camera frame right now. But essentially, they're going to go in one way. If I put them in the wrong way, it's not going to work out. So make sure you're putting your bowls in the proper orientation, okay? So that they fit properly, so that they're not hitting any obstacles inside of there. You want to do your bowls next. Then next come the glasses. Any bigger glasses will most likely, and there's my daughter right there, any bigger glasses will most likely go on the bottom rack because they're going to be nice and tall, and the top rack has less space to work with. So put your bigger glasses in there. Then you want to move on to your smaller glasses like these. My wife and I use these for like orange juice and milk and stuff like that. So move on to your smaller glasses, your coffee mugs and so forth. And then last but not least, you want to move on to your utensils. So your forks, your knives, your spoons and stuff like that. And if you have bigger utensils, like if you're putting in any cookware, any serving spoons, you want those to go in first. And most likely your dishwasher will actually allow you to lift up the utensil sorter. So as you can see, I can lift it up, I can put bigger utensils in there, or I can bring it down and I can use it as a utensil sorter. So essentially the idea is this: you want to work your way from bigger stuff to smaller stuff, and you want to do it in a way that makes the most sense. And that's it. Loading a dishwasher is easy, and by doing this, you can fit. It's easy, right, Lukey?
Yeah, it's easy. Yeah. Put it into the dishwasher.
Yeah, put it into the dishwasher, exactly. Simple. And you can fit like 10-20% more than the average person if you use this method. The average person wastes their dishwasher cycle when they've only got, you know, 70, 80, 90% in there. You can fill it up. I mean, personally, I like washing dishes as opposed to using a dishwasher, but at the end of the day, if I'm going to use the dishwasher, I'm going to fill that bad boy up, trust me. And that's it. In this video, I have shown you and told you how to load a dishwasher properly. This has been a full tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.